Inflation basically means that money slowly loses purchasing power gradually over time. Inflation means money slowly loses purchasing power over time. So in simple terms, what is really being said here is that the same amount of money will buy fewer things than it used to. The same amount of money will be able to buy fewer things than it used to over time. Years ago, a small amount of money could buy groceries, fuel, or even a house deposit far more easily than in today's landscape. Why does this happen? One reason is that more and more money enters the economy over time. So when the supply of money grows faster than the supply of real goods and services, prices often rise. Another reason is rising business costs. If fuel, wages, materials, transportation, if all these things become more expensive, companies usually pass these costs on to customers. A small amount of inflation is considered normal in modern economies. Governments and central banks will often even aim for it. And they do this because moderate inflation encourages spending and investing instead of people simply hoarding cash forever. But things can become dangerous when inflation becomes too high. If prices rise too quickly, savings lose value quickly. As a result, people will often feel poorer, even if we earn more money on paper. This is why understanding inflation changes how we think about money and specifically saving. Leaving money untouched for years and years can quietly reduce its real value. Which is also why many of us will invest. Not necessarily to become rich, but more simply to stop inflation from eroding our purchasing power over time. So inflation is basically the silent background force that is constantly reshaping the value of money itself.